Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. This is the 15th YouTube tutorial video of the series of educational videos as I promised you to make on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you. As a new one, I have to finish my video within 15 minutes. So I have just taken the question number 14 from the exercise 9.1 class 10 under Some Applications of Trigonometry. Now let us see what the question says. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. To do this type of sums, always go for the diagram first to be very clear. So let us draw the diagram. According to the question, I would like to draw the ground level first. Draw the ground level. This is the ground level. Then draw the horizontal line above the ground level at the measure of 1.2 meter, which is the sight point of the eyes of the girl. So this is the horizontal line, horizontal to the ground level. After that, draw the horizontal line through which the balloon moves with the wind. So this is the horizontal line parallel to this horizontal line. After that, let us consider the first instant point of the balloon on this horizontal line, which makes an elevation angle of 60 degrees to the eyes of the girl. Let us draw the line of elevation. This is the line of elevation. Making the elevation angle of the measure of 60 degrees according to the question. 60 degrees. Let us take another instant point of the balloon on the line, on this horizontal line, and draw the line of sight, which will make the elevation angle of the measure of 30 degrees according to the question. After that, let us draw a line from the first instant point of the balloon to the horizontal line from the eyes of the girl, which will be perpendicular to this horizontal line. So we have got a right triangle, this one, first right triangle. Again, let us draw another perpendicular line on this horizontal line from the another instant point of the balloon, which will be perpendicular to this line, making a right angle here. So we have got another right triangle here. Now, according to the question, this distance from the ground level to the eyes of the girl is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. So if you consider this line to be continued, the distance from this point to the ground level will be, is according to the question, is 88.2 meter. 88.2 meter. So in this same manner, if you continue this line, then in that case also the distance from the second instant point of the balloon to the ground level will be, is according to the question, 88.2 meter. 88.2 meter. So the distance, this distance between these two horizontal lines will be, therefore, 82 minus 2 meter minus 1.2 meter. If we deduct, then it will be 87 meter. In the same way, this distance between these two horizontal lines will be 88.2 meter minus this 1.2 meter. If you deduct, it will be 87 meter. Now let us name these lines. Let LM is the horizontal ground level, NO is the horizontal line from the eyes of the girl to the ground, and PQ is the horizontal line through which the balloon moves with the wind, and A, B, C is the first right triangle formed, and D, E, C is the second right triangle formed, and in this case you will see that the line AB is the measure of 87 meter. Again, the line D is also of the measure of 87 meters. So this line is equal to this line, and since PQ and NO is parallel to each other and D is perpendicular to MN and AB is perpendicular to NO, So this the we will get a rectangle here ABED, so that the line BE is equal to AD, opposite side. Again, you will find in that case the measure of the side B is equal to a measure of the side AD is equal to the measure of the side CE minus BC. So we have got these elements from the diagram. Now proceed for the description. Write in this way: let LM is the ground level and NO is the horizontal line from the eyes of the girl to the ground level. Let PQ is the horizontal line parallel to NO, and through which the balloon moves. Again, let A is the first instant point of the balloon when elevation angle ACB is equal to 60 degree according to the question, and D is the another instant point of the balloon when elevation angle DCE is equal to 30 degree according to the question. Now write in this way. Measure of AB is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 meter, which is again equal to 87 meter. Measure of DE is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 meter is equal to 87 meter. Therefore, measure of AB is equal to measure of DE. Measure of AB is equal to measure of DE. Now write in this way. Since AB is perpendicular to NO, DE is perpendicular to NO. Therefore, BE is measure of BE is equal to measure of AD. Is equal to distance covered by the balloon. After this, proceed in this way. In triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, we need the measure of BC and AB, so we will go for cot theta. Cot 60 degree is equal to CB by or BC by AB. This implies cos 60 degree equal 1 by root 3 is equal to BC by, in place of AB you just write 87. This again implies BC is equal to 87 by root 3. Again, in triangle DCE, we need the measure of C and D, so we'll again go for cot theta. Cot 30 degree is equal to C by D. So write C by DE. This implies cot 30 degree equal root 3. CE in place of D you just write 87 meter. Measure of DE is equal to 87 meter. Write 87. This implies CE is equal to 87 root 3. C is equal to root 3. After this, you just write measure of CE. CE is equal to measure of CB plus measure of BE. Therefore, measure of BE which is again equal to measure of AD is, write within bracket, distance covered by the balloon. balloon minus CE measure of B is equal to measure of, which is again equal to measure of AD is equal to CE is equal to CE minus measure of CB, that is again equal to CE. C in place of C, just write 87 root 3 minus measure of CB or BC. In place of CB, you just write 87 by root 3. 87 by root 3. This is again equal to, take 87 as common, so here will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 87, take LCM, root 3, so here will be 3 minus 1. This is again equal to 87 into 2 by root 3. This is again equal to 87 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. This is again equal to 87 into 2 into root 3 by 3. Now do cancellation here. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So we have got 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, here will be 5, so 58 root 3. The distance was in meter according to the question, therefore it will also be in meter. This is the answer. Writing this way, it will spare a little bit time. So that is all for today. Why not? I will definitely expect your likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.